Imagine booking a drone to spray on your farm, just like calling an Uber. And that's not a future idea. It's already happening in India. So farmers in India are replacing workers with drones. And it is far more than experiment. Now farmers depend upon this. And it is happening because labor is getting expensive and workers are harder to find. So instead of 10 people spraying on a farm or in a field, one drone can finish this job just in a minute. And here is the ROI or return on investment. You are using less than 70% of the labor, less than 90% of the water is being used, and 20 to 30% fewer chemicals are being sprayed on your food. So it is win-win situation for both the farmers and for us. And here is the interesting part. Most farmers don't even own these drones. They can just order the spraying service whenever they need it from the agri-tech companies, just like ordering a Uber drone but for your farming. And this is what happens when you merge the technology with some real world problem, and so the technology rebuilds the entire industry. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to show your love in a like button and subscribe the channel.